I've been testing and researching Raceoption for the past few days, and now I'm ready to give you my honest review. Specifically, I'm gonna give you an overview of the platform, and then I'm gonna tell you why I think that this is not a trustworthy broker and why I don't recommend it. Additionally, in the description of the video, I also included links to other brokers that offers the same trading mechanics of Raceoption, but that are regulated, trusted, and that I feel confident recommending. But don't worry, I'll tell you more about this broker at the end of the video. And now, let's start with the review. So, as you can see here, this is the home page of Raceoption. We immediately are welcomed with various bonuses and offers that the brokers offer. We receive a tutorial on the 3 steps to open an account and what are apparently the deposit and withdraw method. Here we have an overview of the platform, but later, once I log in the account, I'll show you better how everything works. And if we scroll down at the end of the page, we can see that the company behind Raceoption is Make Run Corp, and later in the video, I'll show you why this is important. Now, once you create an account with Raceoption, you are welcomed into this trading dashboard that look really similar to the ones of other brokers that I already covered on this channel and that I don't recommend. So in the center we have the price action of the pair that we are tracking, in this case Euro USD, and here on the right we are all the settings that we can use to place a trade, like for example the time frame, the amount, and our price forecast. So if we think that the price is gonna go up and it's gonna go down. Now, if I only stopped at surface level information when it comes to this broker, my verdict would have been positive, because overall the platform seems solid and they offer all the settings and features that you can expect from brokers that have these trading mechanics. But since I don't like to stop at first impression, but every time I review a broker I like to dig deeper and see if I can really recommend this broker to you, well, I discovered a few things that definitely make this broker not trustworthy. In fact, just by checking the Trustpilot page for Raceoption, we can see, even if it has a few positive reviews, that frankly after reading them I don't think that they are completely true, or at least maybe they were done by people that are associated with the company. If you actually look at the 1-star review, they are all gonna tell a similar story, which is that people were not able to withdraw their money, either because their account got suspended after requesting the withdrawal multiple times, or because the support team simply stopped replying. And as you can see, this is something that has been going on for quite a bit. In fact, the majority of the reviews when it comes to Raceoption are actually negative. But the bad reviews don't stop on Trustpilot. In fact, if we go on this other website, we can see that Raceoption got a rating of 2 out of 5 and that the majority of reviews are actually negative. Of course, we're also gonna find a few 5-star reviews, but as I told you before, I think that these reviews are probably faked or created by somebody that was probably a losing trader. In fact, if you are somebody that just deposit money on the platform, trade, and then lose it, you will never experience any problem with Raceoption. The real problem happens once you become a profitable trader. What I mean is that if you start depositing money, growing the account, and then wanting to withdraw your winnings, then that's when the real problem will start happening, and that's when the support will start taking forever to reply, your account will be blocked, and you will experience all the issue that all these people are describing. Not only that, since Raceoption is not regulated either by a government or by the Financial Commission or by Verify My Trade, in case you have a problem, there is not even a third party that you can contact to help you. And not only that, as I told you, since it has not even been audited by Verify My Trade, this means that the charts that you see, the price that you see while you're trading, can easily be manipulated, so that if you start winning too much, they can literally start making you lose on purpose. I'm not saying that they are doing this, but this is a possibility since they're not being audited by any third party. So let me show you some other example of people describing their experience with Raceoption as negative. Here on this other website we can see that the majority of the reviews when it comes to them are negative, and of course there is the odd 5-star review, but yeah, I don't think that I have to tell you more about them. Here again on another forum we can see that our user reported being scammed by them and being charged 18% on the deposit. So again, this is of course something that you don't want. And lastly, as you remember at the beginning, I told you which was the name of the company behind Raceoption. Well, if you start doing some researches on that company, you will discover that, for example, the Comissão de Mercado dos Valores Mobiliário, which is a government body from Portugal, they created this document warning investor about Make Run Corp, which, as you can see, is the company behind Raceoption. And once the document was made public, another government body from Norway republished it on their website to warn the investor from their country. And also the Bank of Russia created this warning when they marked Make Run Corp with signs of illegal professional securities market participation. So again, they're basically telling Russian citizens that this company cannot be trusted with your money. So these are the reasons why I think that Raceoption is not a reputable broker and why I think you shouldn't trust them with your money. As I told at the beginning, in the description of this video you will find a list of brokers that offer these same trading mechanics but that are regulated, trusted, and I feel confident recommending them. More specifically, I divided those brokers based on continents. What it means is that no matter if you are from United States, from Europe, from Africa, Asia, United Kingdom, Latin America, there you will find a broker that accepts people from your country and that will allow you to open a free demo account so that you can get familiar with the platform trading with paper money. Then, once you feel more confident in your skill and you want to start using real money, you can simply do a deposit and start trading with a real account. So, this was my review of Raceoption. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like, and until next time, happy trades!